undo, cut, and clear. The undo button, it looks like the circle with the backwards arrow on it. And when you select it, it undoes actions that you have done in the reverse order that you've done them. It will take away the last thing that you've done first. The next way to get rid of something on your page if you don't want it is the cut option. In order to do that, you want to grab your selection tool and select whatever you would like to delete. And down at the very bottom in your toolbar, you have a pair of scissors. If you select on those scissors, it cuts away whichever item you wish to delete. The last thing that you can do to get rid of objects or items that you don't want on your page is the clear button. The clear is going to be the orangish red X in the middle of your toolbar. And if you select on an object and then you click on that X, it will remove that object. If you don't select on something first and you hit the clear option, it will erase everything on your page. If you want to get what's on your page back, you can simply hit the undo button and it will bring that back. So you always want to make sure that you select an object before you use that X. Copy, paste, and copier functions within Workspace software. There are two ways to copy items that you have in the Workspace software. The first way is to simply select on the item, and down at the bottom on the left hand of your properties bar you have a copy button. If you select your copy button, right next to that you have this clipboard, that's your paste, and when you select on the clipboard it's going to paste a copy of that onto your document. And you'll notice that it pastes those copies one right on top of each other so that you can then go up and manipulate them and move them around your screen. The second way that you can copy an item is to use the copier. So if you select on the item, in your middle toolbar you'll see you have the copier icon, and that changes the icon right here from being able to move. Now when I tap and drag, it's going to allow me to copy the item just by tapping and dragging on it. When you are done copying, you want to select on that object and then deselect the copier icon down here so that then you can go ahead and manipulate that object as well. Because if that copier is still attached to that object, it won't let you move it. It will just copy each time you tap and drag on it.